How to fix Google Play services keeps stopping. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Google Play services keeps stopping. Now, first thing is date and time settings. Now if you change your date and time settings to manual from automatic, then this error occurs. Now to fix this, you want to change your date and time to automatic date and time. Now to do so, scroll on the notification bar and head into settings by tapping on the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. And once here, you can search for date and time here, right here, or you can go to display and go into date and time. Now I'll just head here, and once in here you'll get the date and time option. Now make sure it's set to automatic date and time. Now if you change this, if you disable it and change it manually, then the Google Play services will get an error and it won't function. So make sure it's toggled on. Now if this is fixed and if this still continues, what you want to do is head into App Store. Now once on App Store, tap on the profile icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. And once here, head into settings. Now on settings, head into about, and now tap on the Play Store version. Now you can see if your app isn't updated. If you tap on the update Play Store version, you'll get the update, but you can see a new version of Google Play Store will be downloaded and installed. You can see my Play Store was not downloaded or updated, so it's been updated now. You can see if I tap on it, it'll be downloaded automatically. Now these are the options that will help you fix your issue. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.